Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to convert PNG image to EPS in Photoshop. So get started. At first open your Photoshop document. Now you can see convert PNG image to EPS. Now you go into the file menu option, then click. Now you click from open option. Now find your PNG image. Now select from PNG image. Now click for open option. Now open the PNG image. Now you can see this open the PNG image, this convert from EPS. Now you can see, then I'm going to the again file menu option, then click. Now select from save as option. Now you can see, then I show the new interface. Now firstly type from file name. Now you can see, then second option in from the format option. Now select. Now click from Photoshop EPS. Now select from save option, then click from save. Now click OK. That is, now open the sec in the EPS. That is, now you can see convert PNG image to EPS in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment,